Hello guys, Umoto lifestyle here. Welcome to my channel guys, and thank you so much for clicking. Oh my goodness guys, I have something to show you here. Look at my garden guys. This is mint. So this is mint. Actually mint is becoming so much and I cannot use it by myself, but I want to save it guys. I want to save my mint. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm going to harvest. Actually, it's a beautiful day, Sunday evening. My mint is doing so well. So I was thinking about this mint is becoming so well. So I don't want it to be a waste. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be harvesting it. And actually, I'm going to dry it, crush it, and put it in a bottle so that we can use it. Okay? So instead of me buying it from the store, actually, I can be having it. Because most of the time I have been buying mint from the store, but I'm glad that I have mine now. So I'm using this container right here. Look at that. So that is mint. Actually, what I'm doing, I am just harvesting it like this. I'm just getting the leaves, guys, my nails. I'm just getting the leaves like this, and then when I harvest, I'm going to be putting here. Guys, did you see my gear? Today I'm on fire. I have my gumboot here. Don't play with me. A farmer. So I'm harvesting it. So I thought it was a good idea for me to show you actually how you harvest mint and dry it and crush it when it's done. It's gonna take a few days actually to dry. Guys, as you can see it's a lot. The good thing with mint is that you can use fresh or you can use dry, so it's your wish. But be mine, because it's getting more and it's a lot, I don't want it to be a waste. That's why I have decided actually to harvest it and put it in the bottle that I will be showing you in a little bit. But for now, let's go ahead and harvest our mint. For those ones who don't know guys, this is mint. This is how mint is grown here. Actually, I didn't know that mint can do well in States, US. Oh my gosh. Umoto lifestyle. So I'm discovering something. Somebody told me about this mint and actually gave me the sample, and I planted it and it's doing so well. So I'm gonna be sharing with my friends and my family members. Guys, a cup of coffee, if you like, put milk, creamer, anything, tea leaves. Oh my gosh, you can use this mint in anything that you drink, a beverage. Let's go ahead and harvest. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. I live in the US for the longest, and now I'm sharing my lifestyle here in America because I figured out like there's so many people who wants to come here, who needs an opportunity to come here, and then when you come here, people get desperate and they don't know what to do, where to start. So I'm just kind of showing you a little bit the kind of lifestyle that is here. Guys, I have spring onions here. We are using it, doing so well. Guys, these kales are doing so well. My gosh, the other day guys, I had to harvest something here, beans. You see, I already harvested the beans. We already ate it. Guys, I forgot to make a video, but next time I'm gonna make a video how we are going to fry this and how we are going to eat this. But today's video guys, the focus is harvesting our mint. My gosh, let's go ahead. It's plenty guys, I tell you, and it's doing so well. Can you see that? That is a lot of mint. The smell, the aroma that they have, oh my gosh, I always smell this mint guys. If you want to know more about the mint guys, go ahead and Google it and read about the benefits. It has plenty of benefits. Okay, so go ahead, Google it, and actually know how mint is used and how it's grown. Thank goodness that I have to show you how it's grown. Look at that guys, this is plenty. Guys, make sure you share with someone who wants to plant this. Go ahead, you can plant this in a pot. It doesn't necessarily have to be in a garden. You can just go ahead and buy soil, for those ones who don't have a backyard. Get a pot, put soil and plant it, and it's going to be doing so well. Even kales guys, you can plant kales in a pot. Oh my goodness, guys, this is really amazing. Oh my goodness, guys, it's something I wanted to show you here. What in the world is this? This is okra, guys. Did you know that we can grow okra in the US? I didn't know. So that I figured out that we planted some okra just to test it. But guys, you can tell over here, it's grown. Look, let me show you this big one here. Look at that. This is okra. Actually, is doing so well. So my garden has plenty. Let me show you something else, guys. I usually love mangoes, and when I eat mangoes, usually I throw it over here, but for some reason the mango has grown over here. Look at that. That's the mango right there, and the mango seems to do so well as long as you spray water. My gosh, it's just organic. It's doing well. So I didn't know that I have mango. My gosh. And over here we have black nightshade right here, guys. This is black nightshade of the kind, and I'm trying all kinds of greens here to see if they can do well. So far so good. Everything is doing so well, and we are enjoying harvesting our mint. Guys, comment below, share, ask me a question, subscribe, guys. Subscribe and subscribe and like the video, guys, and turn on your notification whenever I'm posting another video or any new video, so that you'll be the first one to be notified about Umoto lifestyle. Okay, my gosh, I love this. You see, guys, now what I'm gonna do after you harvest, I don't want to harvest a lot. I'm just gonna try harvesting some, so that I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it. So after you harvest the mint, let's go ahead and show you where to put it. So when it's sunny every day, if it's sunny or inside somewhere warm, you can go ahead and put it, like for example, I put this paper here so that the magazine. So what you do, you just spread the mint in here on top of this right here, and then you let it dry in the sun, guys. It's just gonna dry in the sun. In the evening you can just grab it and take it inside, and whenever in the morning before you go to work or anything, just put it outside for a week. This mint is going to dry, and after it dries up, guys, I'll be showing you all the steps that we are going to take until we get mint, and then you get a grinder. I have a grinder that I use for coffee, so I'm going to be using to grind this. And then when it's drying up, guys, I'm going to use this kind of little bottles here, you see. And then I'm going to put my mint in here, and then when I crush it, it's going to be like this. So this is sage, as you can tell, but now I'm drying this mint, and I'm going to do the same thing. I have these little bottles, and I'm going to put it in here so we can use. Okay, guys, if you like this kind of videos, if you want to see more from my backyard and all over US, I'm going to be updating you about more videos, guys. And if you have not watched some of my videos, go ahead and watch and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.